And then, like Paula said, this is our outdoor shower, which is about the most luxurious thing either of us have ever experienced. We use it sometimes twice a day, and what's really great is it spits out hot water and it just goes right on the ground. You don't have to worry about filling up your gray tank, which is kind of a thing that can make you have to come back from nature quickly. Last thing we'll say back here, this is more of the window covers from Canyon Adventure vans. They're insulated, and what we really like about these is that you can just zip them like this and then roll this up, and then you don't have to worry about storing this somewhere and like putting it away and taking it out. You can just have it in open mode and then zip it up or zip it down, and it's insulated and totally blackout. So awesome.
All right, so that is our real quick van tour. Obviously we could go a lot more in depth of all the details, but that's basically our favorite things in here and the things that we use the most and that we're most excited about. Huge upgrade from our old van, and makes the dog happy too.
That's what's really important.
That's what's really important, yeah. All right, we'll see you guys next time.